All right, guys, 2013 Kia Sorento fog lights. If you take a look down here, you can see that we can access the fog lights on both driver's and passenger side. It's very simple. I stuck a light down there so we can see. I apologize, my arm's about to get in the way, but the connector needs to come off first before we can twist the bulb to take it out of the housing. Now the connector has two locking tabs on both sides of the connector, and if you squeeze those, you can probably see if you come around my side. All right, so if you squeeze those, we can undo the connector. There we go. So yeah, you can see the two sides that we just have to squeeze in on, and then all we need to do is just twist this counterclockwise, remove the light bulb. Now this light bulb, it's an odd one, it's an H27. This is what it looks like. We've got 3 teeth. Those are the locking tabs that lock into the housing. And like I say, in order to remove this, we twist it counterclockwise, and then to install it and turn it clockwise. Just make sure that all these tabs line up so that the bulb is situated square in the housing. So this bulb is still good. I'm just gonna put it back in. I'm just showing you how to remove and replace it. And we get it lined up so that it'll go in. Like that. Take our connector, and you'll notice there's a slot on the connector, so you can't put it in backwards. It can only go in one way. And then once you hear it click into place and the connector's secure, you can just go ahead, turn your fog lights on, make sure they work, and that's it. So like I say, it's basically the same for the other side. They're both accessible. If you have any questions, throw them in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.